What is up all you beautiful people on the interwebs? I'm Redrix and today I'm going to be reviewing some gaming channels. So last week I asked you guys on Twitter to comment your gaming channel on my post so I could review some of your channels, and the amount of new followers I got, I think we've almost got 100 followers on Twitter. So if you don't follow me on Twitter yet, go to my Twitter account and press follow, and then you'll be updated daily on what I'm doing here in my life and new videos and live streams, etc, etc. But there has been a lot of you commenting on my post about reviewing your gaming channel, so I think around 25 comments I think. So I won't be able to cover every channel today. So I think I'm going to make a series out of this, like 2 or 3 parts, otherwise we can stay here all day. So yeah, let's go to the computer and let me see your gaming channels. Alright, so yeah, hello again. Now we're already here in front of my computer. My camera used to be up there, and then I'm shooting this way, so you will be able to see my computer and my gaming collections and so on. So yeah, let's just dive right into it, and I found my first channel to review. So this YouTuber is called NightKidGaming. He's got a banner, he's got a welcome to NightKidGaming 2.0. I'm always a fan of YouTuber doing these trailers for their channel, and that's always a good thing, especially when you're not subscribed to a YouTuber. It's always nice to see what they can provide for the viewers. So NightKidGaming, I like that you have a trailer for your channel, although it's like 3 minutes long. I see here down at the bottom, a trailer should be a maximum of 1 minute. You should try to have as much information about your channel in 1 minute. Your banner, it is it's, you know, you're taking up the whole space with NightKidGaming, and I can see some of the words are cut out, especially new videos 7 days a week. You should have it in the center if you can minimize your name and the text, because this is not even mobile friendly with your banner. So simply just make it more smaller, put it in the center of the banner, and I think you're good to go. And I see you've got a Twitter, Facebook, and Twitch linked in the banner as well, and that is a big no-no for especially for YouTube, since you're a very small YouTuber, because anything that you can link outside of YouTube would like punish you for it. So I suggest you should get rid of it and then just put it in your videos, in your descriptions and so on, because this is your like main what you can call this, it's like your index start side of your YouTube, and if you are sending people away from your channel, YouTube is not too frown about it, and they will punish you for it. So yeah, if we go along, if we scroll down, I see you've got popular uploads, that's good. You've got your regular uploads, and you've got NightKid Gundam, you got Vampire. So you are creating playlists of different games you're playing, so that's good. If I'm looking for a specific game that I would like to watch, I should just look into your playlist. So yeah, that's basically what I had to say about your channel, NightKidGaming. So just keep on the work, and hey, you're like 21 subscribers away to get 100. Your first 100 subscribers is like the hardest part. Everyone is saying it. The hardest part is to get your first 100 subscribers, and then from there you'll have like a routine to upload videos every week, I guess. So let's get on to the next one. Alright, I-80. I-80. I see that's pretty much it you've got here on your YouTube channel. So you've got the uploads, you've got your banner. It's not clear, the banner, unfortunately. It looks like pixelated and it's not clear. So what I would like you to do, if you can find a better resolution on the picture, that would be fine, as well as your YouTube name on the banner, a little text about what this channel is about, because if I just look into it, I'm not sure what I'm looking at, if it's a gaming channel or what it is. But I can see on the thumbnails, some of it is like Fortnite, yeah, and you're playing The Fallen, I guess. Yeah, because I'm not too sure about, if you know how to make thumbnails, you could try on practicing on Photoshop or Paint. You can even do it on Paint. So yeah, make a better banner. Hopefully also your profile picture here on YouTube, and create playlists so you're not mixing all games together. If you're doing live streams, do playlist for live streams. If you're doing normal gameplays where you edit them, create a playlist for them, and so on and so on. Alright? So next one is MmoRem. Alright. I see here you've got the anime cartoon of yourself, I guess. Live streams Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. See, you already from the banner, we see that you do live streams. Alright, you do it Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, and you've got the time for it, and that you've got your social media there, as well as you are linking it outside of YouTube, especially when you it's actually pretty good. You've got 331 subscribers. But what I've heard from a lot of YouTubers, they saying like everything under 5,000 subscribers is very vulnerable when they are trying to link to their social media like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, etc. YouTube are going to punish you for it. So but from the looks of it, you're doing great, man. I see you have very cool thumbnails here on the top. I see that you have some live streams planned. You've got your playlists. It all looks good. I really like your thumbnail, so colorful. Yeah. Yeah, so everything is actually fine. I would just considering, just maybe keep your Discord. I don't know if you get a lot of traffic in Twitter and Instagram. I see you've got a link to Streamlabs as well from the logo, but yeah, just consider it. I mean, you can also keep it there because I see it's going fine from you, man. So yeah, let's go on to the fourth. This is 2XC Toxic, I guess. Ethan. Alright, so wow, you've got 4,424 subscribers. Wow, that is a lot. That's good, man. That's cool. So first and foremost, I see your banner. It is very, very unclear. I know you're trying to make this 3D effect something, but I see it's not. I mean, you can do a better resolution for your banner. If you could just fill up the banner from I see it's cut almost in the side on the middle, and you're trying to promote your Twitter account and your Instagram account, I see. But I mean, try to make a better resolution for it, then you'll be fine. I like your logo or your profile picture here. Although I am seeing a lot of empty space when I see uploads. I would like you to create some playlists as well. Maybe an introduction video, like a trailer, like NightKidGaming he did. Do like a 1-minute trailer about the channel. And yeah, if you could create some playlists so it doesn't look too messy, and your banner should just have a better resolution, and that's basically it from my side. So alright, and the fifth and final, sorry guys, this is what I could do today, and now don't worry, I'll do a part 2 in like 2 weeks time because I've got some other videos planned, so sorry. I will try to get to each and every one of your channels, guys. Alright, so this last one is not a gaming channel per se, but he's like, you know, a brother from another mother. He does very cool videos. If you want to have a cup of tea or a cup of coffee and just sit down, relax on a Sunday, watch Maker Maddox. So yeah, this guy, he has he's got this crazy skills about creating stuff. As you can see, let's take it from the top down. All right, Maker Maddox. He's got this awesome, cool banner. You can already see there's some rulers and some like calculations and so on, and you already know, okay, this guy creates stuff. He's got 540 subscribers. Yeah, let's get you to 600 by the end of this month, hopefully. I like your profile picture, Maker Maddox. I see as well you've got Instagram and Twitter. Just remember, YouTube will punish. So that's why it's it's a bit dangerous to have other links going out from YouTube, but keep it if you want, because I like that you had Instagram and Twitter, so I began to follow you on Instagram and Twitter. You've got new videos every Thursday and most Tuesdays. Good to know. And if you're new to the channel, okay, you've got a playlist for newcomers. That's good. It doesn't have to be a trailer, but it would be nice with a trailer as well. And you've got great playlists, and you got popular uploads, so people can see that you actually have quite amount of views. And yeah, I really like you've got like book binding basic series, cosplay props and projects, Lego and build kits. I mean, and you've got Shoutout Sunday. So people remember to go to Maker Maddox, because maybe he'll shout you out when he does season 2 of Shoutout Sundays, because we just had Shoutout Sunday season final. When was it? Oh, it was actually 4 months ago. Dang, it has been a long time. So yeah, I simply like the channel. What I would like to say is maybe just create a channel, or sorry, a trailer for like a minute, just describing your channel, and yeah, that's basically it. So and I see my my camera is like overheating because I've been filming for 12 minutes and 30 seconds. So hopefully you like this video, and I will see you again next week or so. But it's not going to be this series. I'm going to see when I'm going to review your channel again. Maybe it's going to be in 2 weeks, and then I'll take the rest of the comments if I can, if I have time for it. So until then, I'll see you again next time. Bye!